An update on my posture correction algorithm software progress. So with the initial testing of my algorithm, I first wanted to make sure that I had a effective side view so that my program could have a good depth of field in order for the points to effectively analyze posture. As such, I utilized EpochCam as a software since it is easy to use and allows people to connect their phone webcams to their personal computers, which is extremely important not only due to its accessibility but also due to its effectiveness. This allowed me to get significantly better points, and as seen for the slumping warning within my program, I had to be in a slightly less unnatural position for the slump in order to trigger the warning that um, uh, the human is slumping and that there needs to be an effective change in their posture. However, even here you can see in the second image that I'm still raising my shoulders very highly and lift up, putting my head down in a very unnatural position. And humans in general, when they slouch, will not have such an unnatural position. As such, this made me realize that there was some issues with the posture of humans and how that is visible through their upper features, specifically the face and the shoulders. This is because the issue of slouching occurs due to issues within the lumbar spine uh, and is also known as lumbar lordosis. So the issue with this is the fact that changes within the lower spine, as seen on the image to the right, are often self-corrected by a bump in the thoracic spine, which is why this issue is usually known as kyphosis, because that is the bump that forms within the thoracic spine. So in order to effectively diagnose lumbar lordosis, I would need to find some way to bypass kyphosis within the thoracic spine. And so what I found is that the stomatognathic system, which includes the jaw as seen on the top left image, is actually extremely important within the lumbar lordosis, and that is most best encapsulated by the image on the bottom left, and that is due to the fact that specifically lumbar lordosis here is decreasing and is correlated with a better jawline. This is due to the connection of the tendons in the shoulders, the lower back, and the jaw. As such, I found that using my program, which specifically utilizes the jawline, since it is part of the face that is being recorded, could be utilized in a way to create a better program. And so what I did from then on is work to create a machine learning model that will specifically capture the jaw. And here is my data annotation, which I've begun and will effectively analyze a human's jawline. Once this program is then finished, I will be able to integrate this back into my original model and use Docker, a program to containerize data in order to not only combine them but also make them available to the public.